In this video, I'll show you how you can link your Ubisoft account to Rainbow Six Mobile. So all you have to do is launch the game and then you should get to this page. So all you have to do is select login. And then within the login section, you should see a couple of options. You can choose either to log in using Ubisoft, Google, or Facebook. Now, since you're linking your Ubisoft account, all you have to do is select Ubisoft and then type in your email address and password and then select login to log in to your Ubisoft account. So let me just do that. Now, once you type in your credentials, simply select login and that should log you into your Ubisoft account. Now, in case if you had previously logged into your Ubisoft account on the game, you should see this prompt. This account has been already attached to the game to replace your currently saved progress. So simply tap on continue and that should continue with the linking process to your Rainbow Six Mobile. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.